I've seen extensively for about 1.5 hours on 8 points. Why? Because 1, there was no investigation. 2, there was no compliance with the law which guides the tribunal. You see, we cannot fight corruption with corrupt process. The totality of what we have had in this matter is corrupt process. And, you know, righteousness exalted nation, lies, propaganda. It's not righteousness. So what we are seeing in this tribunal, very regrettably, is that the chairman has taken over the power of the other 2 members. He didn't allow them to talk. We pleaded with him. He rose up and left the court. What is happening? What is happening? Is this justice? There was no investigation. There was no verification. Nothing happened. The statement of that gentleman who said he was complaining was hearsay. It ought to be struck out. There's nothing before the tribunal. But he says, oh, because he now imported his own evidence. He brought his own personal experience into judgment, including quoting Quran. That's not fair. A judge of law should be a judge of justice, constitution, and the law. If this is justice in the sense of Nigeria, we are doomed. We are finished.
But let me say that what happened today was an Onnoghen submission was made by the defense, which we replied. And the tribunal said they are wrong, that he has a case to answer. That's what happened. Am I happy? Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy because, 1, some of my colleagues started saying that the charges I brought are dead on arrival. Some of your colleagues started saying that I abruptly closed the case because I bungled it. Now that you have seen that at least I am addressing the tribunal, not members of the public. So I'm happy that the tribunal have seen that I have done the job I'm supposed to do. I said, like I told the NBA, I'm here to present the case investigated. I have presented it. And nobody will tell me how many witnesses I will call or how many I will not call. So I'm happy.
Yeah, we're happy.
As for the exchange of words between the defense and the chairman, he had ordered long before now that this trial will go on from day to day, on the day-to-day basis. And the next day is Monday. And for somebody to be emotional and say, God help Nigeria, and so on and so forth, is giving a dog a bad name to hang it. Because in all no case submission, a judge has a right to write a bench ruling without even rising.
Yes.
All he is looking for is there any evidence linking the defendant with the offense charge? And if that has the cross-examination been such that the evidence become useless? You are all witnesses here. The cross-examination was as regards to other matters not before this court, but before other bodies.